Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'll be posting videos about my car build, which I'll be introducing you to in a little bit. This is my new project. It is a 1990 Honda Civic Si. It came with the stock D16A6 motor. It actually came with some Acura EL snowflake rims. The car is in pretty decent shape, aside from a few rust spots, which is pretty common. It is a 1990. It came with a Yanaka exhaust, which actually sounds pretty good. It also had a Momo steering wheel. It had a Momo shifter set and stuff like that, but I've kind of taken that out. I put in a DC Integra center console, and I've rewrapped the armrest with some spare Civic Si fabric. So here's where it's actually rusty. It is in the rocker panel right there. I've chipped out a lot of the rust, and I still have to cut it and weld a new piece in there. The only part that was rusted on the quarter panel is just that little spot right there, which is, like 2 inches about there. Probably grind that down later and see how much worse it got. So here's the passenger side. It's actually a lot worse on the passenger side, but I'll just cut that out and re-weld and grind off all the rust. I've already put in Acura Integra rear disc brakes, and I've also put in stainless steel braided lines for all 4 brakes. I've also cleaned up the headlights. They were kind of all rusty inside. Opened them up, re-chromed them, and sealed them right back up. Here's a little look at the engine. This is a Canadian model, so I don't know if that makes much of a difference. And the engine actually runs really well, but I will be pulling that out. The car actually had its share of leaks as well. It came with a basic swimming pool inside the rear tire area. I have since kind of cleaned it all up, found all the leaks, taken apart the headliner and all that, and traced everything. Done several leak tests after, and it actually is all good now, sealed up. I've replaced all of the interior right now. This is from another Honda Civic Si from 1990-91, and because the previous set was actually in really bad shape, so I replaced it with a nice cleaner shape. I mean, obviously you can see in the driver's side it's still worn, but it's not torn or anything. So the rear hasn't been put back together yet. It's kind of staying like that until I re-weld the rocker panels. But yeah, this is my new little project. It's one of my favorite platforms for the Honda Civic. So follow this journey of mine on the build. Cheers.